Hello, I'm in a 2017 Subaru Outback, and today I'm going to show you how to check your oil level. So while the vehicle's turned off and your hood's open, find your dipstick over here. So we'll pull this all the way out, wipe it clean with a good rag or paper towel, then stick it all the way back in. And then pull it all the way back out again. And then from here, if you can see it in the camera, there's a couple dots. There's a dot on the left and a dot on the right. The dot on the left is like your full mark, and the dot on the right is your low mark. So you'd want the oil towards that dot on the left. So let's say it was low. We'll stick this all the way back in. And then over here is where you would add your oil to. So you unscrew this cap. Make sure you've got the right type of oil, as well as ideally the same synthetic, conventional, and brand of oil you've been using. Better not to mix and match if you can help it. But unscrew this. And use a funnel straight from your quart jug, just fill as needed. Try not to overfill if you can help it, but screw this on when you're done, nice and tight. And then at this point I'd start the motor for like 5 seconds to get the new oil to circulate, turn it off, and then repeat the process we did in the beginning of here with the dipstick, checking it, see where we're at. And none of this should be done in replacement of your regular oil changes, which you can do typically by putting the vehicle on a slight lift, so you can get to the oil pan to pull the plug, drain all the old oil out, replace any filters as needed, screw the plug in nice and tight, and then come in and add the recommended amount of oil for your particular motor. Screw this on nice and tight, and then turn the motor on for like 5 seconds again to circulate new oil, turn it off, and then check our new level. But I hope that's helpful. Hope you have a good day.